One man has been taken into custody following the discovery of the body of another in Lariston, Spanish Town, St. Catherine on Sunday morning. The dead man, who has been so far only been identified as Eva, was found along Creation Drive in Lariston. He and the suspect lived in the same yard, the police said. Information reaching Observer Online indicated that around 10 p.m. Saturday, residents heard both the now deceased and the suspect arguing. Around 6:40 on Sunday morning, residents stumbled upon Eva's body and summoned the police. Police visited the area and found the now deceased lying on his back, clad in a white shirt, blue pants, and burgundy water boots with what appeared to be stab wounds to the upper body. A 47-year-old man who was shot and injured by the police in Spanish Town, St. Catherine, on Tuesday succumbed to his injuries on Friday. He has been identified as Conrad Mahibeer, a sales representative of Johnson Crescent, St. Jago Heights, St. Catherine. It's reported that following an accident along Brunswick Avenue in Spanish Town on August 22, a police constable in a private car arrived on the scene and told the drivers to clear the roadway. An argument developed between Mahibeer and the policeman, who reported that Mahibeer threw a cup of soup at him. The policeman alighted from his vehicle and identified himself, and Mahibeer reportedly attempted to pull a firearm from his waistband. He was reportedly shot and injured by the police. The injured Mahibeer was rushed to hospital for treatment, where he later died. Detectives assigned to the Westmoreland Police Division arrested and charged a man following the killing of 30-year-old Chantal Calder-Whittingham, otherwise called Pookie, of Burton District, Little London, in the parish on Saturday, August 12. He is 23-year-old Odain Baron, otherwise called Bududup or Indian, a laborer of Cooleytown District, Paradise, Westmoreland. Reports from the Savannah police are that about 3:30 p.m., Calder-Whittingham and her relatives were leaving home when 4 men, one of whom they had a dispute with, reportedly approached them. The man allegedly opened gunfire, hitting them, and escaped. The police were summoned, and on their arrival, Calder-Whittingham and her relative were seen lying in the roadway in a pool of blood. They were assisted to hospital, where Calder-Whittingham was pronounced dead. Baron was arrested during an operation in Westmoreland on Friday, August 25. He gave a caution statement to the police and was later charged with murder, shooting with intent, and unauthorized possession of a prohibited weapon. His court date is being arranged.